properties of vector triple product. First property, let vector A, vector B and vector C are three non-zero vectors, then vector A cross B cross C is a vector lie in the plane of vector B and vector C. See here, suppose this is vector B and this is vector A, vector C. So this is plane of vector A, this is plane of vector B and vector C. The cross product of B cross C is perpendicular to the plane of vector B and vector C. Plane of vector, this is the direction of vector B cross vector C, which is perpendicular to the plane. This is 90 degree perpendicular to the plane. And vector A, suppose this is vector A, and this angle be alpha. So cross product of vector A and vector B cross C lie in this plane, because cross product of two vectors is a vector perpendicular to the both vectors. So this is product of vector A cross B cross C, which lie in the plane of vector B and vector C. Now second property, vector A cross vector B cross C is equal to vector A dot vector C, vector B, minus vector A dot vector B vector C. It is clear from this definition. We have already proved this formula. This is a vector, this is complete a vector lie in the plane of vector B and vector C and perpendicular to vector A. One problem based on vector triple product. Find a vector which is coplanar to vectors I plus j plus k and I plus 2j plus k and perpendicular to the vector I plus j plus k. You know, in case of vector triple product, vector A cross vector B cross C is a vector which lie in plane of A and B and C and perpendicular to vector A. So let vector A equal to I plus j plus k, means we have to find a vector which is perpendicular to this vector. So this vector means vector A, and vector B means vector B and vector C are two vectors in which this vector lie, means this vector lie in plane of this. So I b, vector b means I plus j plus k, and vector c means I plus 2j plus k. Okay, vector a means the vector which is perpendicular to the given vector. Vector b and vector c are two vectors. We have to find vector which is lie or coplanar to vector b and vector c and perpendicular to this vector, this given vector means vector a. So we have to find a vector a cross b cross c. So first of all, find, by using formula we can also find a vector. So you know vector a dot vector c, vector b minus vector a dot vector b vector c. Vector a dot vector c, you know dot product of two vectors. Vector a dot vector c means a1 c1 plus a2 c2 plus a3 c3, means corresponding coefficient, multiply corresponding coefficients. A dot c 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Vector b means I plus j plus k minus a dot b, vector a dot vector b means 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Vector c means I plus 2j plus k, 1 plus 2 plus 1 I plus j plus k minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 I plus 2j plus k. 4i plus 4j plus 4k minus 3i minus 6j minus 3k equal to I minus 2j plus k. This is vector perpendicular to given vector A and lie in plane of vector B and vector C.